Guess who?
Peaches.
Oh, boss! I thought we were doing something special today.
We are! Score! Veronica, this is the best Valentine's Day ever.
At your service.
Where have you been all my life?
Oh, Buzz.
Hi there, Wendy. Mind if I join you?
Actually, Wally, morning is me time.
I thought the Valentine's Day was supposed to be we time. Ah.
I'm on the case.
Wally, you're so soft and doughy.
Voila! Winnie's gonna love this. Oops.
Oh, Woody! Look, I made your favorite.
Winnie, you're the best.
Woody, I've been thinking. Don't you agree that it's time we made our relationship more committed?
Committed? Huh?
I do.
I just remembered. I forgot to pay my taxes.
Cartoon characters don't pay taxes! You know what to do.
Piece of cake.
Commitment. Ha! I don't need no stinking commitment. I'm an independent agent, a solo act. I'm free. Free as a, well, as a bird. Hey, what's the big idea?
Just hold still, sir. This'll only take a second.
Whoa!
Come on. Why you running from love?
I'm allergic to it!
I'll just have to up my game.
Whoa! Yikes!
Say hello to my little friend.
Persistent little guy, isn't he? Fire in the hole! Yoo-hoo! Missed me again!
Oh, I didn't want to have to do this. You'll thank me one day.
Hey, Cupid Bear, I'll make it easy for ya. You couldn't hit a... Uh-oh.
Latest model, Heat Seeker.
Shh! I'm hiding from the missile. The missile! Yikes! Wow! Ted, you're it!
Why, hello there. I want to be your Valentine.
Huh? What happened to Woody?
Forget the Woodpecker. He doesn't deserve you. Let's get married right now.
I just remembered. I forgot to pay my taxes.
Come back, love of my life.
Happy Valentine's Day, folks. And remember, if you spot a flying panda... Hey, wait a second, you wing weirdo! Winnie's my girl! I want to be committed. I changed my mind. I want to be committed! Commit me! Commit